Hello again. Happy Wednesday. Welcome back. Today I really want to focus on concept and like the really fun way that I found to get an idea from my head, play with it a little bit, and then take it out of my head. I can't recall if I've ever talked about this before, but I have like the gnarliest ADHD, and this is like a really cool way that I found to help take an idea out of my head through the chaos and then like have fun with it and then paint it on my body, because if not, I get too lost in all of it at once. Free fall. So I recorded myself drawing up the concept, so this video is going to be start to finish just how my whole brain activity works when I do something like this. So without further ado, welcome to Alex's drawing class. Step 1, open your Sketch app. So the cool thing about this app is that it allows you to add photos to your Sketchpad. So I'm going into my usual photo, which is just a picture of me in my bathroom. And I'm going to start by getting rid of any distraction. So I'm going to switch to the airbrush tool, select my skin tone color, and kind of remove anything. No more. As I'm doing this and saying this now, you could just take a picture of you with your chest exposed, but whatever. So once you do that, you're going to take the black pencil and you're going to want to start doing an initial sketch. And this is going to be super messy. Don't even care if it looks good. You just want to get like the rough idea out of your mind onto this digital piece of paper with the pencil. And then we're going to switch to the airbrush tool, and then we're going to add some quick shading. But the idea of this is just to get, if this was Play-Doh, just to get it on the table. Because the cool thing about this app is that you can edit all of this in layers. So once you get this very rough sketch down, we're going to add a new clean layer, and we'll cleanly sketch on top of that. So I'm going to bring the opacity down of what we just did, add a new layer, and then with that layer selected, switch back to the pencil tool, and then create a very clean or much cleaner version of what we just did. And I'm going to do that 3 times total, and our final version will be this, like, thought through, more grounded thing. But you really just want to do this in steps, because once you get that down, now is I'm taking that layer all the way down, and now you can see the cleanest layer that we have. And now I'm going to sketch it almost with more patience. I'm going to kind of give this more of like a realistic idea of what I want the final look to look like. So then when we sketch over this, we have what I usually do as my very first step, which is with a black pencil or any kind of pencil, sketch out the design. So now I know what I'm doing. And if this is a makeup look that I haven't done a lot, or I haven't practiced in a while, it's nice because once you actually go to do the makeup, I personally feel way more comfortable. And like I've done it a million times before, but then boom, we have our first step. Yay. Okay, so I'm starting off with this gray paint, and we're going to do the natural outline of the entire toga with this gray face paint, which is Storm Cloud by Mayround. Okay. There. I think we have a nice toga. I kind of want to do like some other ones in the back now, like to see if I can like shade almost with the illusion that there's a back toga. So I'm taking this cream white. This is the Makeup Forever's Flash palette, and I'm just like, these cream paints really blend very well over face paints. So I find this is for me gonna be the easiest way to get like a nice soft blended fabric look without having to work too hard. So then again, like this one. I'm gonna do mostly just the corner of this guy, I think. So now I'm going to go in with this brush that I hope is like perfectly sized with some gray eyeshadow in here now. And I'm going to start creating those like loopies that we saw from the drawing. Let's do like another one right here. Starting off by blending in the center, I want to get that like product in, soft, applied. And then now that most of it's off, I'll start to do the edges upwards a bit. Blend those out too. So here I want to do like another loopy. But like I can already see like this fabric is like, I want to preserve this highlight line and kind of enhance what we're already seeing here. So I just want to like lightly start to like enhance this shadow further. By the way, this is a Sigma E50 brush, large fluff. Okay, now we're doing black. Brush of a similar dome shape, but obviously much smaller. I'm gonna start to go like very closely in here, but be very thin and pretty precise. But like there, and then I want to make sure that this is straight. Then I'm also going to curve it right up against that highlight. And then blend it in. Don't cover the gray. Add this into the center of the gray. Okay, we can come back at that. Okay, we can come back to that if we need to, but now we're just going to cover the entire body and face in Storm Cloud. Okay, well since we're done here already, I'm just going to like tie all this in now that we've, you know, got it on. Boom, I'm just gonna contour real quick with that same gray, just like, you know, do like, just like a little bit. Oops, I forgot to shave BRB. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the face. Should be easy. Starting off with the same gray eyeshadow, and I'm gonna just like, start it off pretty heavy. I have no new product on the brush. I'm still just working it in. It looks so dark when you first start, but just keep moving it around. Okay, so remember that white we used earlier? It's actually not white, it's more like a creme, but I'm going to use that now. Load it up on that same brush. We're going to use that to highlight and to clean up a lot of this. Eyebrows. Or now we're gonna do the nose. Like nose eye, I guess. Okay, so here's my idea. We're gonna start down here with cracks. I'm gonna take this eyeliner and we're gonna do small cracks with this felt tip eyeliner, and then we're gonna shade around them to create some like hollow parts. Okay, so then my idea with the cracks too is to like put them like in a contour placement, where not only do they serve as like proving that I'm a statue, it also is going to help lift the face. Okay. I'm going to put some white eyeliner in my waterline, and then I'm going to throw on some contacts. I was going to use gold paint, but I can't find it, so this is it. I tried to put the second contact in, and it didn't work. But here's the finished tutorial, my friends. I really hope you guys liked it and learned something new. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!